Hello, my name is Mark. I'm 41 years old. I was born in New York, and I created Facebook. When I was a teen, I loved computers and coding. While others played games, I built little programs. In college, I had an idea that grew. It started in my dorm and changed the world. But success is tricky. It's not just luck. It needs focus, courage, and lessons from failure. So today, I'll share 10 simple life lessons, all from my real story, for you to grow. These tips helped me build a huge company, but they also helped me stay grounded. From my mistakes, wins, and daily hard work, I learned things worth sharing with everyone. So if you're curious or want to grow, stay with me now. Let's learn together. We'll start from 10 and count down slowly. Each one brings value. Each one is real. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, which lesson helps you most? This helps your English too. In my college room, I had one idea. No office, no team, just me and code. It was very simple. A way to connect students at Harvard fast. Nothing more than that. But small things grow when you believe deeply. I gave it focus and worked every day. I didn't think fame. I didn't want money. I just felt people needed a better way. Soon more people joined. Then other schools came. We grew step by step, never rushing. That's the secret here. Don't wait for perfect. Start with something small, then build from there. You don't need much. A phone, idea, courage. That's enough to begin. Dreams start very quiet. Even Facebook was tiny, just a student tool. But the mission mattered, so it became big. Lesson number 10. Start small. Dream big. Take one small step, and don't stop. I didn't wait books. I opened my laptop, typed the first line, and learned from that. I made many mistakes. Bugs, errors, crashes too. But each wrong move taught me something real. Reading is just theory. Doing is full power. When you try things, you grow much faster. School gave the base, but practice built confidence. I learned more coding than lectures ever gave. Every line I wrote taught me a lesson, not from a teacher, but from the screen. You want to improve? Then do the work. Try, fix, repeat. That's the process. Learning is not perfect. It's messy and slow. But that's how skills get stronger each time. Lesson number 9 is, don't just study life. Jump into the arena. Learn by doing. Mistakes are teachers too. They show the path. Try fast. Fail fast. Learn faster than others. In college, I coded. Friends went to parties. I stayed in dorms, focused on one thing. I didn't chase trends. I didn't change goals. One idea, one mission. That was my focus. Distractions were everywhere daily. New apps, games, news. But I stayed quiet and kept building Facebook. Every great thing grows from deep, clear focus, not from scattered energy or jumping too fast. It's easy to stop, easy to switch paths. But real success comes when you keep going. I said no often, to people and plans. Because yes everywhere means no to dreams. One thing at a time. Give it full attention. That's how empires begin, with sharp, patient focus. Lesson 8 is simple. Don't do everything now. Pick your one thing and give it everything. Even today, I focus, even with more money. Discipline never ends. It only grows stronger. So if you start, stay focused until done. and then go bigger with full heart again. I didn't build Facebook just to make money. I built it because I saw a need. People wanted connection, photos, updates, real life. But nothing existed then to do it well. I asked big questions. Why does this matter? Who does it help? What is the impact? A business with purpose goes beyond quick gains. It creates real change and lasts much longer. Money is not enough. It won't keep you up at night building. But purpose will. Purpose gives you fire. Even when things fail, your reason stays alive and pushes you forward. Ask yourself this daily. Why am I building? Who will this help? What do I believe? Purpose attracts people. Great teams join you when they feel meaning behind every small task. Lesson 7 is clear. Build what matters most, not just for profit, but for real value. That's how Facebook grew. Not by money first, but by meaning always. Start with purpose today. In the early days, Facebook was very simple. No colors, few buttons, but it still worked. We didn't wait years to launch a dream. We started small and fixed it fast. People waste time waiting for the perfect plan, the perfect team, the perfect moment. But life moves quickly. Opportunities don't wait. If you wait too long, you miss your shot. The first version won't be the best version, but it's the start of something real. Each step teaches you. You grow by trying, not by just thinking or reading books. Even today, we launch things that aren't perfect. We learn from users and make them better. So don't fear mistakes. Fear doing nothing instead. Action creates learning. Waiting creates regret. Lesson 6 is simple. Start now. Improve later. You'll grow much faster than those who wait. Whatever your idea is, take the first step. Build, learn, adapt, repeat. That's how winners grow. I thought Facebook was working well, but users told me what didn't feel right. Some said it's slow. Others missed friends' posts. I read every message. They helped me grow. Good feedback is gold. It shows blind spots. Even smart people miss simple things. I wasn't always open. Sometimes I felt attacked. But I learned quickly. Listen before reacting. Feedback brings ideas you never imagined alone. Even small comments can spark big changes. I told my team, ask, don't assume. Talk to users. Let them guide updates. Some advice hurts, but truth is helpful. You fix faster when you understand problems. I've learned more from critics than fans. Praise feels nice, but change needs truth. Don't hide from feedback. Seek it. Write it. Use it to grow. That's how leaders improve. Lesson 5 is clear. Open ears, open mind. The best grow faster because they listen. I left Harvard early. I had no plan. Just one big dream. To build Facebook. People said, "You're crazy. Finish school first. What if it fails?" But I kept going. It was scary sometimes. I had doubts. But I studied everything and trusted the numbers. Risk isn't being wild. It's not closing eyes. It's seeing the danger and moving prepared. I never jumped blind. I always asked why. I tested ideas first, before betting big. We moved fast, but never rushed blindly. Every bold move had data behind it. Some things didn't work. I made mistakes, but smart risks always taught something new. No growth without risk. Staying safe forever means staying small forever. I didn't want that. Smart risk means thinking, what's worst case here? Then asking, can I live with that? Lesson 4 is this: don't fear bold moves. Just prepare well and go smart. I didn't build alone. Facebook wasn't just me. It was a team with the same dream. I met smart friends. We shared ideas daily. We challenged each other and learned fast. Good people bring energy. They solve hard problems. They care deeply and never quit. Wrong people drain you. They block progress. They doubt too much or play alone. In early days, I had to choose. Who helps the mission? Who slows it down? Hiring was key. We chose wisely. We looked for builders, not just resumes. Team culture matters. Trust beats ego. Together is stronger than brilliant alone. Feedback flowed freely. No fear talking. We all listened and grew faster. I made some mistakes. Wrong hires hurt, but we learned and moved on. Lesson 3 is this: build with great people. They shape your future more than you know. I always asked why, even as a kid. I loved questions and finding answers. Curiosity was my engine. It pushed me forward. Books, tools, code. I explored everything. I read about science. I studied ancient ideas. I watched people think and create things. Curiosity brings surprises. It shows new paths. It opens doors you never saw. Some said, don't ask, just do your job. But I asked anyway and changed things. Learning never ends. I ask today too, about AI, health, and the future. Curious people grow fast. They adapt well. They see problems and find answers. If you feel stuck, start asking again. Why, how, what? Let curiosity guide you. Stay curious daily. Explore new subjects. Learn from mistakes and try again. That's lesson number 2. Never stop exploring. Your questions today. Build your tomorrow. Learning built my path, not just in school, but every single day. With heart and focus. I learned to code, to speak in public, to build teams and lead people. Books gave me power. Mentors gave me insight. Mistakes gave me growth, and I kept going. Each challenge taught something. Each win taught more. Even failures taught, if I listened. Learning is a habit, not just a moment. It's daily action that changes you. Smart people keep learning. Even when they win, they stay students of life itself. If you stop learning, you stop growing too. You miss chances and fall behind. You don't need school. You need curiosity. You need effort and an open mind. Read, listen, ask, practice. Learn from everyone. Even your mistakes can teach you. That's my final advice. Keep learning forever, because knowledge is never complete. What did you learn from Mark Zuckerberg's journey? Which lesson touched you most? How will you apply it? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If this story helped you, please like the video, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Every week, we post real stories with lessons, told in simple English for learners like you. Thank you for watching. Keep reading, keep learning, and remember, you are growing every day.